Welcome to 1526 Winville Road, a beautiful 3-bedroom multi-level semi-detached home situated within a quiet neighborhood of East Pickering's Duffin Heights community. Featuring a single-car garage and a covered front porch, through the front entrance is a main level with a tiled foyer, as well as wide plank flooring and pot lighting throughout, with the hallway leading into a light-filled family room that has a sliding door walkout with California shutters to the fully fenced backyard. This level also features a 4-piece washroom with tiled finishes and a vanity with a quartz counter, a laundry room with washer and dryer, a storage closet under the staircase, access to the garage, and a double coat closet. As well as a hardwood staircase and handrail that carries to both the second and third levels. The second level showcases the principal entertaining spaces and the kitchen, all which have a light neutral color palette, pot lighting, and windows with multiple exposures for maximum natural brightness. A beautiful combination of light and dark, the kitchen features a tiled floor, quartz counters and backsplashes, a stainless steel double undermount sink, built-in dishwasher and microwave, oven with smooth cooktop, and a French door fridge, as well as exceptional cabinetry storage. The breakfast area has a walkout with California shutters opening onto a balcony perfect for year-round barbecuing, and there is also a powder room with a pedestal sink off this space. Gorgeous hardwood flooring flows throughout the very generously sized living and dining rooms. Decor columns grace the entryway between these rooms. There is an additional coat and storage closet off the dining area, while the living room enjoys the warmth of a gas fireplace and has garden doors opening to a Juliet balcony. The third level has the coziness of broadloom throughout, features a 4-piece main washroom with tiled finishes and a vanity with quartz counter, while the second and third bedrooms have ceiling fans, double closets with single doors, and are bathed in the warm natural light of their southern exposure. A dark-stained hardwood railing carries along the hallway, which has a niche space ideal for a sitting area or a desk. And completing this level is the bright and graciously sized master suite. This lovely retreat showcases a walk-in closet, a ceiling fan, space for a sitting area, and a walkout onto a private balcony overlooking the backyard. And its ensuite washroom features a tiled bath area with a soaker tub, a tiled floor, as well as a vanity with quartz counter and undermount basins. Situated within a neighborhood surrounded by green space, steps from the Duffin Heights Forest and River Trail entrance, and just minutes to places of worship, shopping plazas, the Pickering Golf Club, as well as indoor and outdoor recreational facilities, this home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.